Hey, this is Crystal, and we're organizing our icons in Windows 7. If I have my icons available on my taskbar, I may want to put them in my primary order. What am I doing first today? What am I doing second? I know I'm doing a Word document first, so I want to move that over. I might want to move my Excel document over or around on my taskbar. That can be easily done. So here I am on my taskbar. And here's the two documents I have open, but I want Word to actually be the first one in my taskbar list. So I just take it and simply drag it immediately over to the left, as close to the Start menu as I can. And now it's in this order. Excel's the second thing I'm going to do today, so I take it and I drag it over. I'm not using Skype, so I take it and I drag it over to the right. So there you go, organizing your icons. This is Crystal. See you soon.